Good morning, dear students. I am B.S. Nardia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous YouTube video, I taught you about advertisement writing. I taught you what an advertisement, how many kinds of advertisements are there. And dear student, today I am going to tell you more about the advertisements with an example. So dear students, I taught you that advertisements can be divided into two parts, classified advertisement and commercial advertisements. So today we will do more about classified advertisements. Dear students, I told you that classified advertisements are written under different columns like situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, for purchase, lost and found, obituary, and so many more. So dear students, today I am going to teach you the advertisements which are written under the column situation vacant. So we take an example. Principal Suraj School, Mahendragarh requires a receptionist for his school. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in a classified column of a national newspaper giving all necessary details required for it. Yes, dear students, you are the principal of Suraj School, Mahendragarh, and you want a receptionist, so you have to publish a advertisement in a newspaper. So first of all, you will write the heading situation vacant. Situation vacant in capital form you will write. And what important points should be keep in mind while writing such kind of advertisement? Dear student, first of all you will write the proper heading like situation vacant, and after that you will write the name of the institution. Name of the institution can be written in the beginning or it can be shown at the end, and after that you will mention the post and how many vacancies are there, and after that you will mention the other qualification and experience, what type of salary is there, what type of candidate do you want, and some other details are also mentioned in such type of advertisements like situation vacant. So dear students, yes, first of all you will write name of the institute, that is Suraj School, Mahendragarh. It is also given in the question. So Suraj School, Mahendragarh requires a female receptionist. The post is also mentioned here, female receptionist. Suraj School, Mahendragarh requires a female receptionist. I told you, dear students, that you will have to mention the qualification also. So here minimum graduate with computer and shorthand knowledge. The candidate should be at least minimum graduate, and he should have the knowledge of computer with shorthand writing. And after that you will write pleasing personality. Then you will write comma. Good communication skills, good command over spoken languages like Hindi and English, age between 21 to 28 years. Yes, dear student, don't forget to mention the age in such kind of advertisements, especially the advertisements which are referred for the receptionist, and after that working time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then handsome salary. You can write attractive salary, or you can write negotiable salary with perks. You can also use the word with perks, and some salary with perks. It means other kind of benefits, other kind of bonuses will also be provided to the selected candidates. And after that, dear student, don't forget to whom the apply. It means you will write the name of the advertiser, apply to the principal within 7 days with complete biodata, and then you will mention the phone number. So dear student, after doing all these things, you will put it inside a box. Don't forget to put it inside a box after giving all details required for the receptionist. So dear student, please don't forget, first of all you will write the name of the institution. After that you will first of all you will write the suite heading, I mean to say title, and after that you will mention the name of the institution, and after that you will mention qualification and other experience. Then you will write the kind of salary and to whom the applicant should apply, what kind of salary is will be given to the candidate, and to whom the candidate should apply. You will mention all these things in such kind of advertisement, and as I have already told you that don't forget to put all these things inside a box after writing all these details. Dear student, I have already told you that long sentences are not used while writing an advertisement. Only short words, or I mean to say short phrases are used, and because the newspapers charge money per words or per line, that's why you should attend to the word limit. That is very necessary for you. So dear student, this kind of advertisement are written under the column situation vacant, and in next lecture I will tell you about the advertisement which are written under the column situation wanted. It means if you are a lecturer in English and you want a job in a school, at that time you will write the advertisement under the column situation wanted. So dear students, this is something that we should keep in mind while writing classified type of advertisement. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.